The stage is set for an epic showdown as the 106th PGA Championship is on the horizon. This prestigious tournament will take place at the legendary Valhalla Golf Club in Louisville, Kentucky, a course brilliantly designed by none other than golfing legend Jack Nicklaus. This course, now extended to a formidable 7,609 yards, is ready to challenge the mettle of the 156 entrants. The layout, which heavily favors the long hitters, comprises several long par 4s and par 5s. This layout is reminiscent of the one where Rory McIlroy clinched the championship in 2014 with an impressive score of 16 under 268. Valhalla's greens, featuring heat-tolerant T1 bent grass, promise to be fast and are expected to test the skill and precision of the players. Although weather conditions might bring some rain, the wind is not anticipated to play a significant role in the game. Victory in the championship does not just bring prestige and glory, it opens doors to future major tournaments and PGA Tour events. The stakes are high, the pressure immense, but so is the reward. As we inch closer to the 106th PGA Championship, anticipation fills the air. The course is ready, the players are preparing, and the fans are eagerly waiting. Who will rise? Who will fall? And who will be the ultimate champion? Only time will tell. In a nutshell, the 106th PGA Championship is all set to unfold at the Valhalla Golf Club, promising a thrilling tournament that will test the skill, determination, and resilience of the world's best golfers. The greens are fast, the stakes are high, and the anticipation is electric. The countdown has begun for a championship that is much more than just a game. It's a battle for prestige, glory, and a golden ticket to future golfing opportunities.